Kucoin exchange app, how to deposit or withdraw for beginners. So if you're a beginner on the Kucoin app and you want to deposit or withdraw cryptocurrency, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Kucoin application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Then what you have to do is, if you want to deposit or withdraw, depends upon when you come to the asset tab. So when you're on the asset tab, if you want to deposit some crypto here, you can tap on deposit crypto, select a cryptocurrency that you would like to deposit over here. Now there are many popular ones, but obviously you can just choose any one over here, and once done you will be able to see a deposit address. If you want to withdraw it, once you have some kind of cryptocurrency, you'll find a withdraw option. In my case, I don't have any cryptocurrency, so I'm not saying withdraw, and simply paste the wallet address where you want to actually send the crypto to, and then you'll be able to do it. That's for crypto. But if you're talking about fiat currency or money, then you will have to simply switch to the fiat section here, and then you'll be able to find them. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.